Hello friends, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we are going to write 10-line essay on the topic My Favorite Sports Person. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is My favorite sports person is Cristiano Ronaldo. Second line is He is a football legend who has managed to conquer the world of soccer with his hard work. Third line is He is my inspiration and I look up to him in my life. Fourth line is He has taught me to never give up and to give my best at any cost. Fifth line is He is very passionate towards the game. Sixth line is He continues to push himself hard and keeps learning new tricks. Seventh line is Despite being the king of football, he still practices for hours together. Eighth line is Even at this age, he is physically fit and performing at the highest level. Ninth line is he has won the FIFA World Player of the Year award, the Golden Boot, and has been named the UEFA Club Forward of the Year as well. Last line is I love and admire him a lot.